Mastering formal introductions. Elevate your English. Hello, language learners. Today, we are delving deep into the world of formal English introductions. While introducing people might seem simple, doing it correctly in a formal setting is an art unto itself. We'll focus on common formal phrases often used in these situations. So, let's elevate your English together. Let's begin with formal greetings. Remember, your first impression is a lasting one. Make it count. Good morning, afternoon, evening. We use these as per the time of day. It's a pleasure to meet you. You may say this after the initial greeting. How do you do? It's an old-fashioned, formal greeting used after first meeting someone. Next up is introducing yourself. This includes your full name and possibly your role, depending on the setting. Allow me to introduce myself. I am, your full name. May I introduce myself? I am, your full name. Your role, position. And, of course, you'll often need to introduce others. Here's how. May I introduce person's full name, their role, position. I'd like you to meet person's full name. This is person's full name. A fact about them or their role. Our last section covers facilitating a connection. After you introduce two parties, use a connecting phrase. I believe you both have a shared interest in common. I thought you two would have a lot to discuss about a shared topic. Well, there you have it, folks. With these formal phrases in your vocabulary, you are now ready to make introductions in a formal setting like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily conversations. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.